Good day to all prospective employers in Hong Kong. My name is Princess Diana Ruma Agkawili, 37 years old, married. My husband's name is Rodolfo Agkawili Jr., 38 years old. We have 2 children, 1 boy and 1 girl. My father's name is Tito Ruma and my mother's name is Feli Ruma. I have 1 brother and 3 sisters. I am a Christian. I live in San Agustin, Isabela, Philippines. I am a college graduate. I took up Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. I work as a domestic helper in Philippines and Hong Kong for 5 years and 3 months with 3 different employers. My duties are taking care of children, taking care of baby, cooking foods, cleaning the house, laundry, ironing, washing the dishes, marketing, car washing, and take care of pets. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn high salary to support my family needs here in Philippines. And Hong Kong is a good governance and safe country. To all prospective employers in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper, and I promise that I will do all my duties and responsibilities and follow your rules and regulations. Thank you and God bless.